So hello guys, welcome back. Today we are with the bike. So wheels are installed. Here's the wheels. They look fresh, man. They are a little bit dirty because of the grease. I didn't clean it very much. And I did the new stickering scheme, new windscreen, new Hayabusa carbon fiber fender. Now the bike looks very aggressive from the front. I need to make it a little bit straight. It's dirty, I need to wash it. Let me take one photo for the Instagram. So today we are going to talk about how the carbon wheels versus the OEM wheels. So my OEM wheels has the symmetric bearings, and even this wheels has the symmetric bearings, and I almost lost 2 kgs from front and back from the OEM wheels versus the carbon wheels, around 4 pounds, 5 pounds you can say it. From the bike, from the rotation mass. So I will tell you one thing. Okay, let me stop once again. Okay, I will tell you how big difference is from the carbon wheels. Okay, this is zero. Okay, I can push the bike without anything. It's so easy to push it. It feels so goddamn light. See, I'm just pushing with my leg, no pressures, nothing. Even I can push it a little bit more harder. It's so goddamn easy. And since this carbon wheels, they help a lot in the rotation. And they feel so light, especially on the turns. It's completely different, even in the braking. But what I experienced from the braking side, my engine braking is less now because the wheels are a little bit free. They move a little bit more freely, so bike gets a little bit less slower. So I will show you. I'm in the first gear around 40-50, and let's push it. I'm in first gear. The speed is not going down like crazy, you know. Where compared to the old wheel, my speed used to go around 5 to 6 or 6, like a lot, not 5 to 6, I would say that's not too much, but it used to go a lot now, faster. The main difference what I feel is, oh shit, water, and the road is, I think we have to stop. See the braking? I'm not even using the back brake right now, just front brake. It's clean, the neutral. So bike feels amazing, especially in the rotation. It's so much better. I thought it was not going to make a big difference in the carbon wheels versus the OEM wheels, but man, it's a lot. I can feel it. See, from the starting I can feel it, and from the turn it's easy to turn the bike. And what I have noticed, one more thing, it's easy to turn from right to left. Say from right and then left, then right, then left. Easy. It's not that tough at all. And the power, of course, it feels a lot different in the power, especially I'm a heavy rider. I'm very, not fat but heavy. So it makes a little bit more difference for me. I like it a lot. Is it worth it? Around $4,000, $5,000? I don't think so. It's not going to reduce that much rear rotation, but if every inch counts, yeah, of course, it's going to matter. And I like the look. First of all, for the look, I bought it. Half of the bike is my carbon fiber, so I want the carbon fiber wheel too. And the road is bumpy, especially in the turns. And this bike is amazing. Once I remove the lower end, I think I can take this bike anyways to track. That's the plan for the wheels. That's the reason I bought the wheels. I want to see how they're going to perform on the track. But on the road, they are amazing. Till now, amazing, perfect. Rotation, turn, braking, everything is improved. Except the engine braking, of course the wheel is a little bit free, so it's moving a little bit more. So of course your engine braking will be less, but otherwise perfect. Perfect. No complaints at all. But one, I can say that it's very hard to keep the wheels clean. Especially they are attracted to the mode, man. And they are black. And a lot of people say the carbon wheels are not strong, you know. So, man, I'm around 110 kg, 250 pounds roughly. And fuck it around, like my roads are not that great. It's great, not that great. It's bumpy. I jumped the bump so many times, especially the front wheel. It's as solid as the OEM wheels, I would say that. They are strong. They are very strong. So, this is a small update. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out. Take care. Ride safe.